is number 4. Gates open, they're up and racing. And we have Canadian Girl. Hello, hello, moving up by the rail to take the lead. Master Kai running in between runners. Then comes She's Gorgeous running alongside. Stay at home, Ma'am Premier Affair, galing, work of heart. Coin Maker second last, while El Bimbo is running at the tail of the field as they round at the last 600. Hello, hello, now moving up by the rail, running on the outside, Canadian Girl. She's Gorgeous, getting closer in third. Master Kai is on the outside, fourth. Then moving up, Queen Maker, galing, running by the rail. Stay at home, Mom, as they swing for home. Now we have 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Hello, hello, She's Gorgeous, moving up on the outside is Canadian Girl. Master Kai moving up on the outside, but She's Gorgeous leading the field, running by the rail. Hello, hello, and finally, She's Gorgeous. Hello, hello. Then comes number 7, Master Kai. You stay at home, Mom.